Hi guys, this is the Java series part 49. In this session, let's discuss about the inner classes. What is inner class? A class that is created inside the another class. This type of structure is called the inner class. This is also known as the nested class. Okay, what are the advantages of inner class? Inner classes represent a particular type of relationship. That is, it can access all the members from outer class, including private. The second advantage is inner classes used to develop more readable and maintainable code because it logically group the classes and interfaces in one place only. Okay, and the third one is very important advantage. Code optimization. It requires less code to write. Okay, these are all the advantages of inner classes. The next one, what are the types of inner classes? There are two major types of inner classes. The first one is non-static inner class. The second one is static inner class. Under non-static inner classes, we have again three classifications. Member inner class, second one anonymous inner class, third one local inner class. Okay, now let's discuss the member inner class. So what are the rules we have to follow if we want to implement the member inner class in our project? Here, this is the example program. I have created the test member outer one. This is my class name. Okay, this is the outer class name. And inside this outer class, I have created the variable. Variable name is data. Its data type is integer. I have used the private as access specifier. Okay. So we know already private means we can use this variable inside this class alone. Okay. And inside this class, I have created the one more class. What is it? Inner. This is the name of the inner class. Okay. So this inner class is placed inside this outer class. So what type is this? This is the member inner class. And one more condition. This class is created inside the outer class but outside of the method. Okay, so this type of structure is called the member inner class. Okay, class is created inside the outer class but outside of the method. So this type of structure is called the member inner class. This belongs to which category? Non-static inner class. Okay, and here I have created the MSG method. What is the role of this MSG? It is used to print the data variable value on my console. Okay, and inside this inner class, I have the main method. Okay, and inside this test member outer one, we have the inner, and inside the inner only we have the main method. So my file name must be the outer class name only, not the inner class name. Okay, because this inner class is placed inside the test member outer one class. So I have to give the file name as this class only, not this class. Okay, and here I have created the object for the outer class first. Okay, this is my outer class. And new keyword I have used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program. And this is the default constructor. Okay, and I have created one more object for the inner class. Okay, this is the name of the inner class. How can I create? What syntax we have to follow? Here, this is my outer class name and then dot operator and the name of the inner class and followed by the object name. So this is the syntax. If you want to create the object for the inner class means you have to follow this rule. Okay, outer class name, dot operator, inner class name. And this is the name of the outer class object, dot operator, and then the new keyword and the inner class constructor. Got it? So we have to memorize the syntax. Okay, so the outer class name and then the inner class name. In between the outer class and the inner class name, we have to put the dot operator and then the name of the object for the inner class, and the right hand side we have to mention the object of the outer class and then dot operator and new keyword and then the inner class default constructor. Got it? And then here, what is it? This is the inner class object. So here this is the method which is present inside this inner class. Okay, so what will happen after encounter this line? The control jumps from the 14th line to the 6th line. Here this is the statement. So this statement will be executed. Again the control jumps back to the 15th line. The program is finished. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, so what are the rules we have to follow if we want to implement the member inner class in our project? Means we have to create the class inside the another class. Okay, this is your outer class and this is your inner class, and this inner class must be placed outside of the method. Okay, this is the rule if we want to implement the member inner class. So this member inner class belongs to non-static inner class. Okay, and what is the syntax? If we want to create the object for the inner class, means the outer class name, dot operator, and inner class name, and then the object name, and right hand side the object name of the outer class, dot operator, new keyword, and then the inner class constructor. Okay, let me execute this one. So data is 30. Here data value is 30. So we got this result. Data is 30. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.